Today is such a boring day. If only something exciting would happen. Something exciting like a shiny, silver, delicious award appearing at my doorstep. If only.
NANI?!
Who goes there? Could it be? Could it? Oh. Wait, what? Alright, so let's see what's inside here. Open it up. Here we go. First off, a very nice piece of foam. Very nice, yeah. Okay. Put it here. And oh, okay. A small little card or letter congratulating me. Here. You can read it if you want. I'll put it aside here. And an even bigger card or letter congratulating me. Here. You can read it if you want again. Pause the video. And I'll put it aside as well. And there it is. Silver play button. Presented to Cyber Legends Animations for passing 100,000 subscribers. Amazing. Oh yeah, sure. I gotta unwrap it first. So I'll just let me take it out. And there it is. It's so good. Yeah, it looks so nice. And yeah, I think that's about it. So let's get back to the animation. Hi again. So yeah, this is just amazing. It's been an absolute wild ride getting to 100,000, and just thank you all so much to everyone that has subscribed, everyone that has viewed, and just anyone that's decided to give my channel even a passing glance. I couldn't have got here without everyone's support, and thanks to you, my channel is where it is today. Becoming a YouTuber is always something that I've wanted, and I can't believe that I'm holding this, or well, my animated self is holding this silver play button today. It's honestly the most amazing feeling, and I thank you all. So I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.